Workout number 27. This is another 10-minute blaster. This is going to be a focus on just the calves. How do we focus on just the calves? Well, we're going to use a jump rope, or if you don't have a jump rope, I show you how you jump without a jump rope with no equipment. It's going to look like this. Put your arms out, circles, and just hop. Keeping your knees bent like springs, landing as softly as you can, creating as little bit of impact as possible. So you're making it a very low impact sport. There's no stomping around, just an inch off the ground or so, especially if you're using jump ropes. The idea is a little bit off the ground as possible. If you're not using a jump rope, you can spring as high as you want, as long as you're landing as soft as possible and as silent as possible, like a cat. If you do have a jump rope, just a little bit, maybe an inch or so off the ground, but still, whether you're with a jump rope or without a jump rope, you are landing as soft and as quietly as possible, creating as little impact as possible. So the plan is we're going to go for a minute with a 15-second break in between each minute for a total of 8 sets, which is going to equal out to 10 minutes exactly. I got my stopwatch ready to go so it can time us to make sure we're on point. My note of disclaimer here and caution is this is general information, not specific to anybody. Please take responsibility for your own safety and do what is right for you. So let's get those calves going. Now, I haven't jumped rope in a number of months, so I'm sure I'm gonna come out and back in a couple times. I might slip up, we'll see. You know, it is what it is. Happy to struggle and be in the trenches with you guys, so let's get going. Take my necklace off. I never remember until after the video starts about my necklace. Certainly can't jump around with that on me. Okay, here we go. All right. Stopwatch is going. Starting in 8 seconds. 2 seconds. 1. Let's go. Oh my God, what did I get myself into? I'm already almost wasted. 7 more of those to go. Oh my God. All right, start again, go. Whoops, oh my God, already I came out. Wow. Oh. I figured I'd last at least the first 3 or 4 rounds. The second one I'm already sucking. Round number 3. Here we go. 3 down, 5 to go. Wow, this is hard. Oh my God, it's time, let's go. Shit, shoot. Six down, 4 to go. Wow. All right, here we go. Three more. 3. Oh my God, 15 seconds is almost up. All right, it's up. Cheating now. Here we go. Two more. I got a good calf stretch to show you after this, so don't leave when we're done. These rests are too short. Here we go.
Oh yeah, go for it.
One more set. And one more. See how strong I can do this. I'm surprised I only came out once the last set. Here we go. Finish strong. Wow. Now I'm going to show you a calf stretch. It's a tough 10-minute workout. Just one standard jumping jack, nothing fancy. And after the first round, I started coming out, or the first set. Okay, let's get our calves. All right. Stand like this, feet apart. This toe pointed outward. Grab your toe. Flex this knee a little or bend it. Come down, hinging at the hips. Keeping your back straight, your shoulders back. Just pull on your toe, with your toe up, and get a good calf stretch, just like this. Bending the back knee. Big breaths. So big inhale, big release on the exhale, and pull yourself. Now the other side. Drink a lot of water. I've been drinking a Superfoods shake after every workout for over 10 years. It's been rewarding me very handsomely. If you want to check it out, ask me or the person who invited you here for a link to that Superfood shake. See if it's something you want to include in your own daily ritualistic healthy habits. I highly recommend it. Oh, that feels so good. Now, because the spine was involved, go like this, push out against your inner thighs with your arms. Now grab like so. Get a nice little side stretch and a little bit of a spinal twist. Anything with impact, however light the impact, the spine was involved. Now the other side. Oh. Now just hang down. If you would like to be an independent rep or a customer or both, let me know, or the person who invited you and we will go from there. And if you got some friends, some positive family members, positive-minded people in your life that would enjoy this kind of thing, invite them in here with us. The workouts, the immune boosting recipes. Swing and come up. Give me one of these. Inhale, exhale, scraping the wall behind you. I hope you enjoyed that. That's workout number, what did I say at the beginning of this? I lost track. Well, whatever I said at the beginning. It's workout number, fill in the blank. Calves, jump rope, or not, for 10 minutes. Bye for now, everybody. Mwah.